Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Cord organizer. Powerful stickiness. Cord organizer be made of powerful and standard 3M glue with stronger stickiness. Sturdy, it is not easy to fall off and not leaving any traces on surface. Premium material, kitchen organization made with food-grade TPR silicone, healthy and safely, non-toxic, BPA-free, durable, and not easy to deform. Perfectly compatible. Compatible with surface of glass, ceramics, wooden board, plastic, metal, tiles, wallpaper, leather. Apply to all kinds of kitchen equipment, such as coffee machines, air fryer, blenders, pressure cooker, toaster, juicer. Unique design. The unique butterfly-shaped design is more in line with kitchen equipment and more beautiful. And after many manuscripts and mold opening tests, compatible with 70% of the kitchen equipment wire. 100% satisfaction G. Guaranteed. We guarantee that the high-quality UCOX cord organizer will surely please you. If, for any reason, you are not 100% satisfied with the UCOX, we will help you solve. Turkey baster. Ideal baster for cooking. Impress your family with a juicy, meaty feast at a family, Thanksgiving or Christmas dinner with our durable turkey baster syringe. Its stainless steel construction allows you to dip the baster in even the hottest meals, while the silicone bulb remains cool to touch, heat resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Maximum suction power. Our easy-to-hold silicone baster bulb is designed to provide perfect grip. With one single press, you can fill up the 5.5 ounces dripless baster with liquid, ready to add more flavor to your meal. Easy to clean. Cleaning up is a breeze by simply detaching the blasting bulb from syringe, using our included cleaning brush to remove any particle. Our blazing syringe is also completely dishwasher safe. Egg slicer. FOD slicer egg slicer is very suitable for cutting hard-boiled eggs, strawberry, banana, mushroom, butter, cheese, into neat slices. Just put the food into the slicer and push it down. You will get neat slices every time. Sharp stainless steel wire. The egg cutter wires is made of stainless steel, and it is very sharp, which allows you to quickly slice eggs and soft food. Egg cutter wires are durable and can be used for several years. Ergonomic design egg slicer, made of high-quality aluminum alloy for the base and handle. Ergonomic design makes it easier to use. You just need to lower the food in the card slot, and then press it gently to get neat slices. Easy to clean. The base of the egg cutter uses a hollow design. Simply rinse with water to easily remove food scraps and get a brand new egg cutter. Can be safely. Garlic press. Heavy-duty construction. The heavy-duty construction and ergonomic design ensure you can easily mince unpeeled garlic cloves or peeled ginger root quickly and with minimal effort. Simply press the handles and delicious paste will ooze out, leaving the peel inside. Professional-grade garlic press. Stainless steel, rust-proof garlic press can mince and crush garlic with restaurant quality and ease. This will be the best tool in your kitchen. Add color to your kitchen. This crusher is available with silver, black, red, or multicolored handles. The baskets were not painted to ensure that our garlic press is 100% safe to use when you're preparing food. Variety of uses. This garlic press perfectly minces garlic so your veggie, meat, sauce, or salad dressing will be so delicious your guests will think you had a professional chef. Popcorn popper maker. The most colors to choose from. We're sure to offer your favorite color. Collapsible space-saving design. Allow you to store the popcorn maker in a small drawer and is perfect for RVs and college dorm rooms. Convenient, easy grab handles. The Salisbury popcorn maker has built-in handles that make it easy to remove from the microwave. Always use caution with removing hot products from a microwave. Easy to use. Our popcorn maker is easy to use, easy to clean, and easy to store. And since it's silicone, it's virtually indestructible. It's also dishwasher safe. Save money. Using the Salisbury popcorn popper saves you money versus using bagged popcorn, and it helps save the earth from unwanted and extra trash. Butter dish. Butter dish with lid and knife. The butter dish with lid for countertop has been updated, So when you want to use the butter dish, you don't have to look for the knife anymore. And the butter dish with lid comes with a multi-purpose butter knife. The lid of butter dish fits perfectly with the butter knife, and the butter dish with knife has a smear, scraping, slicing, 3 functions. When you cut and spread butter, the cover of the butter dish can be a cutting board. Durable butter dish with lid for countertop. This butter dish with lid for countertop made of metal material that more durable and much lighter than ceramic, which can effectively prevent slipping from your hands. The butter dish with lid size is 3.5 5.5 2 ins. This butter dish is wide and deep enough to hold various of butter. Butter dish with lid sealing upgrade. The cover of the butter container has a double-layer silicone ring, which greatly improves the sealing performance for butter dish with lid. In addition, the silicone sealing ring of our butter dish with lid for countertop is not easy to age, and the sealing effect is longer. Ice cream scoop. The last ice cream scoop you'll need genuine heavy-duty tool that is strong and sturdy with no mechanical gimmicks or moving parts that can break. Plus, it's dishwasher safe. Great for other creative kitchen uses, as well, including using it to scoop out seeds from melons or filling peppers with stuffing. Works amazingly well for gelato and custard too. Create perfect spheres of ice cream. Cuts through smoothly and effortlessly so that ice cream curls onto itself, making beautiful and well-proportioned scoops for cones, brownies, sundaes, pies, and more. Innovative design saves you time and energy. Unique shape that is the best combination of a scoop and spade to help you easily tackle rock-hard frozen desserts. Curved area of scoop makes brilliant curls, while the thin edges help dig out ice cream from the corners of the container so you can enjoy every last tasty bite. The handle even has a notch to lift container lids, which will keep your hands happy. Multi-purpose. The multifunctional whisk gadget. Wipe a whisk and bowl in seconds. Save the recipe. Return all that food to the bowl. Forget about the mess. Whisk wiper lifts the loops off the counter and catches drips. Perfectly fits the included 11-inch whisk. Note: whisk wiper fits other 7-wire whisks best, but doesn't fit every whisk. Note: don't expose to high heat. Hand wash only. Made in USA. Cheese slicer. Slicer specifications. The cheese handheld slicer is 9 inches long and 3 inches wide, and the handheld cheese slicer is the right size and suitable for any type of cheese. The finely ground blade opening allows you to cut slices of even thickness. Slicer specifications. The cheese handheld slicer is 9 inches long and 3 inches wide, and the handheld cheese slicer is the right size and suitable for any type of cheese. The finely ground blade opening allows you to cut slices of even thickness. Multipurpose use. Used for cheese, ham slicing, cake spatula, cheese platter or sandwiches, etc. Can easily slice cheese into thin slices. The shovel head is smooth and flat, can firmly scoop up and move the cut cheese. Help you make delicious slices of cheese on kids' sandwiches. Sliding tray mat. Heavy movement made ESY. Are you tired of lifting and moving your heavy mixers, blenders, coffee makers, or any other kitchen appliance? Howsun sliding tray mat creates the perfect counter appliance solution for you. Moving heavy countertop appliance from underneath cabinet is no longer a hassle, but a painless task thanks to our discreetly designed sliding tray. Effortless usage. Our tray slider will ease up your burdens by holding out all types of kitchen appliances from light to heavy, 1 up to 30 pounds. Versatile sliding tray. Our coffee pot sliding shelf is perfect for coffee maker, air fryer, blender, food processor, toaster, stand mixer, and other countertop kitchen appliances. Super convenient kitchen appliance. Simply slide out this handy caddy countertop tray when you need the slab and slide it back effortlessly when not needed.